the creator of each and everything. Dear teachers, viewers and listeners, Assalamu alaikum. As we know well that today is our function and my topic is about 14th August. 14th August is celebrated all over the provinces in the memory of 14 August 1947. After the slavery of 90 years, we got freedom from British Crown. While the Muslim of subcontinent became the slave of British rulers. They indulged in luxuries. They left the fun of education and knowledge, which was the legacy for their forefathers. They dispersed and become the victim of slavery. After the War of Independence, 1857, the British Army defeated us very badly. Between the War of Independence, 14th August 1947, thousands of scholars, civilians, political leaders lost their precious lives. Millions of children became orphans, homeless and hopeless. In the freedom of many of Muslim played vital role, like Qaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan, Muhammad Iqbal is our national poet. I wanna to conclude my speech with these lines. May Allah protect our country from enemies, and may He brings peace in our country. That's all. Thank you.